Hi, good afternoon. I'm going to do a little video about the homework that got sent home. This week we're talking about families and being a part of a family. And we are talking about that not all families look the same. So this is called the family clothesline. And right here it says family type, and you'll write traditional, which you know that's mom and dad and kids live in the same house. Non-traditional, grandmother with the kids, grandfather, aunt, uncle, foster, um, or other things like that. Single parents or blended, so like step step parents live together with the kids. And what we're going to do, I'm going to read you the directions. It says on the t-shirts below, place the names of your family members. Not all t-shirts need to be marked. Color the t-shirts to signify the following. Yellow for parents, and this is just, I did this just as an example. So mom, dad. Orange is going to be for siblings. I just wrote brother, sister. And blue is for half siblings. I did just half brother, half sister. Green for step family, and I just wrote stepdad, stepmom, stepsister, stepbrother. And red is for grandparents, and I just did one to grandpa. And then pink for everything else, and I just did an aunt, cousin, cousin. And the what you're doing this for are just the people that live in your house, just your household. So unless you have a huge house or a hotel that you own, you probably are not going to fill in all these. So just have fun with that with the kiddos, and you're going to write the name. I did not because I just wanted to do an example. Write the name of dad, mom, write, the sister's name or the brother's name, but write their names on there and let them color it. If you don't have colors at home, that's fine because we have colors here. So just send it back and I'll let them color it here at school. And then we're going to hang them all up and I'll take pictures and put them on Dojo for everybody. I will have another video up probably tomorrow afternoon that's going to talk about some things, handy things that you can do with helping teach math at home, easy peasy things. If there's anything else you need, please let me know. Really have fun with them because it kind of helps explain to them what a family is like that, and they know to understand that family is held together by the glue of love. So, not all families look the same, and not all members of a family look the same. So, enjoy this with them and answer any questions you can for them. And any questions you want me to work on with them, just let me know. Thanks. Have a good afternoon.